Hello. Sensors are all about the robots, right? It's very important for them. Without sensors, robots will not be more interesting. Sensors make the robot very versatile. They give a lot of inputs to the robot's brain so that they can make the decisions what to do next. They will take the appropriate decision to take turns or make some decisions and things like that. What will happen if you were given a chance to choose the place where your eyes should be, where your ears should be? The sensors are like eyes and ears of a robot. What if you get an opportunity to choose how many eyes you want, how many ears you want, where your eyes should be kept? If I were given a chance, I'll keep two eyes in my legs so that I don't stamp on the unwanted stuff and kick some of the things which I don't want to kick, right? Where will you keep your eyes? So to make sure any robot works properly, we need to work on some sensors, right? So we have already seen one of the sensors, which is the ultrasonic sensor. You have seen this in this robot. This is ultrasonic sensor. But today we are going to understand how the infrared sensor works. Okay, this is an infrared sensor. Before going to the details, let us understand the circuit diagram. So this is the infrared sensor, and it has got three leads. So first one is the output, ground, and VCC. So this is a digital sensor, so that means it gets a 5 volts supply and ground in these two pins, and this is the one which gets activated when something comes in front of this particular sensor. So then the sensor will send a signal, and this LED will be turned on or off based on the configuration. Okay, so we are going to use this sensor like this. So VCC will be connected here, ground will be connected here, and the output will take it from here. So let's get into the circuit and build the circuit and see how it works. Okay, so let me explain how I have built this. As I was explaining, this is the infrared sensor, and you can see there are three leads. The red one I have connected to the VCC, the brown one which is connected to the ground here, and the orange one is the sensor output. Okay, so don't worry about this part of the circuit. This I have built for some other purpose. I will explain later, but I'm using this to get the power supply VCC because I'm not getting any other voltage regulator. So don't worry about this portion, but only this portion you don't have to worry, but this is the one which I'm going to explain. Okay, so now I'm taking the 5 volts from this wire, and then the yellow one is the ground. That's the only two output I'm getting from this board, and the rest all is happening in this breadboard. Okay, now you can see the red wire is connected to the 5 volts, and the brown one is connected to the ground here, and the orange one is connected to a small resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, and then the LED circuit. Okay, let's power it on and see what happens. Okay, so as I powered it on, you can see this infrared sensor got activated, and we can see the light is already red. So the light is on. So when there is no obstacle, the LED is turned on, and just I put my hand here, you can see the LED is off. So once the obstacle comes in the front of the IR sensor, the LED goes off. No obstacle, LED turns on. Obstacle, LED turns off. No obstacle, LED turns on. So this works with any kind of obstacle. Let me try with my poster. This is a beautiful poster my daughter has made for me. Obstacle, no obstacle. Obstacle, no obstacle. Obstacle, no obstacle. So we can use this, connect this sensor to our robots, our robot here. So we can connect three of the sensors, one this left side, center, and the right side, to detect any obstacle comes in. Based on that, our robot can make a decision to go either towards left or right so that it doesn't hit any of the walls. Okay, that's the basic idea about this today's video. So IR sensor module, obstacle gets detected, and there is an obstacle, light turns off. No obstacle, light turns on. obstacle, no obstacle. And I can use this output to one of the analog pins. Here in the robot we have analog pins A0 and A1. We have used it for as I was telling that it is used for ultrasonic sensor. We have 6 of them, so 4 more are still free. A2, A3, A4, A5, all 4 can be used. So we will be using 3 of them for the IR sensor. 3 of the IR sensor. Based on that we can make the decision. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video we will take those IR sensors and attach to this robot and also understand how it works and also understand little more about the coding part. Until then, ciao.